Can you teach cybersecurity? This goes out to anybody who has cybersecurity experience. Somebody said the reason why this came up was it will be apparent as I read this message somebody sent to me. They said, Bruce, I ran across your website today. I appreciate you putting this together. It's not enough people in our community that are into cybersecurity. Your program could help change lives. And it has changed lives, and I'm really proud to be a part of that. Like, so many people that I talk to have told me that my courses have changed their life because they got a job or they got a raise or whatever, and their whole life is different. I'm really happy to be a part of that change in you guys' life. It really is fulfilling to know that, so that's great. He says, I'm a lead at ISO Southcom, and I've been thinking about creating a course and teaching people myself. I'm glad you took the initiative to do so. Congratulations. Keep up the good work. Okay, so if you're this person, or if this is you right here, like you can teach this and you like what I'm doing, and you also want to help other people all over the world, people in the US, maybe even people in the UK, people in Canada, and you happen to know this off the top of your head and you don't mind being on camera or speaking on camera. You don't even have to show your face. If you are interested in creating a course with me, you'll create the course. I will promote the hell out of it. I might even help you edit it. I've got editors who help me to edit these videos. I've got enough experience to know how to edit it, how to put it together, and then I'll just promote the hell out of it. And then you can either release it for free if you like, or you can release it at any price point that you would like to. I will put it on Convocourses. I've got 3,000 followers on that site. Then I send out a newsletter. I'll promote it on convocourses.com by doing this kind of thing that I'm doing right now. This right here, what you're seeing, gets sales. If you are interested, and this is absolutely serious. If you're not serious, if you don't feel like you can do this, if you don't have the time to do it, please don't waste your time. Okay? This is for people who are serious. Maybe you already have video content. You already have a website. You already have a YouTube channel. Give me your course. I will post it on my Convocourses site. I will coordinate with you to promote it. I will coordinate with you on how we split the funds. It depends on how much work I do help you on it. Just contact me. My contact information, I'm going to give it to you right now. If you're interested in this, I can't do this for the rest of my life, guys. I'm one guy. I can only put out so much content. But meanwhile, people are beating down my door to get more content. But I don't have time in the day to do all that stuff. So it would be great if I had other people helping me out to create the content, and then I'll just promote the hell out of it. I've got a pretty good following of buyers who are anxious and hungry for this kind of information. So if you want to contact me, it's cyberaware2020@gmail.com. This is serious. If you have the time to do this, please contact me, because this is a great opportunity for you. I'm really looking for somebody right now to put content out there. If you already have content, man, what are you waiting for? You could just literally give me your videos. I upload them to my site. You tell me what the price point is. We work those details out. I promote the ever-living hell out of it, and then you will get sales. You'll get more sales. You got nothing to lose, right? The only thing you have to lose is your time in sending me the videos. And let's say you make no money. Well, guess what? More people got exposed to your material. I mean, what do you have to lose? Send me your material. If you don't mind doing a video from scratch, I'll even help you create the course material. I will help you create it. Right? The main caveat is that you have the ability to teach. Some cybersecurity people cannot teach. They cannot teach. I can't explain why, but some IT people cannot teach at all. If you're one of those people, don't waste your time. Keep on doing what you do, but if teaching's not for you, just don't do it. just don't do it. So if you can teach though, if you know how to explain something, you don't mind doing it, you know the material, please reach out to me. That's PCI compliance. If you're technical, maybe you're a CEH guy, where you're doing ethical hacking, whether you're, personnel security. I'll even do physical security. Any kind of security. If you're an expert at it, if you know this off the top of your head, please contact me. Let's do something together. All right, that's it for that. I promoted this like a year ago. I got a couple of takers, and we've got a course we're sitting on for like a year now. But we haven't been able to release it. It's really good. I wish we could release it. I wish we could finish it, but so far we've kind of been sitting on it. So I just want other people, if I can get other experts. My plan with Convocourses is really, this platform is supposed to be for other teachers to get on here and teach cybersecurity and do the same kind of thing that I'm doing here. That way I can kind of rest a little bit, right? We have 2 or 3 other people doing this. They promote their products while they're teaching for free. And anybody who wants to go deeper or get a contract, I've been contacted by different contracting agencies. That's another option for you. It's just something that you should really think about.